Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone! Thanks for joining me again here at Daily Doodles. And today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Dennis from Denis and Me. So I'm going to start Dennis with his eyes. I'm going to do a little black circle right here, and then give it a little bit of space and do another one. And we're going to do a little eyebrow above each one. And a cute little smile. And now towards the side, we can start with his hair. So we're going to do a shape like that. And come on up. And go on over. Again. And I'm going to come down that way a little bit. And we're going to give him an ear, a rounded shape right there. And I'm going to come down in a curve for his face shape. And we can do a neck with one line there, and a little curve there. And let's finish up the hair. So I'm gonna do a shape right there. And come on up again. He's got some high hair. It's got a lot of lift. Another one. And another one. And we're getting lower. So there we go. All right, so now let's work on the t-shirt. So we're gonna do some shoulders. Come on down. And we got one sleeve. And same over here, we can come on down. And from here, we can go down a little bit and come on over. And a line straight down and one across right here. And we can continue doing a line down here, and then we can go with 1, 2, 3 fingers and a thumb, and come on up. And same over here, so we can come on down and we can do thumb, and then 1, 2, 3 fingers, and continue going up with that arm. And now we can do a line coming down here for the start of a leg. I'm going to do a straight line right here, a little one, and we can come on down. And over here, we're going to come down again for the other leg, and come down right here. And now the shoes are going to get cut off a little bit with the end of the page, but that's okay. I'm going to put a curved line right here for the pocket of his pants, and same over here on this side. All right, so we are actually finished drawing, and I'm going to start to color. All right, so we are finished our picture of Dennis. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had fun drawing, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!